I've never seen it like this. Never. I got my buddy Cody. Anybody knew what my mom and dad talked about before. This is that cat that's coming up. About eye level. My drone is still going on. Can't kill it thing. It's a good brand, whatever brand it is. It's been going on for like 3 days. There it is. Water is a powerful thing. I got the motorcycle stuck. I don't know if I can get it out. I'll try later though. But you can't be negative, you gotta be positive. When it comes down to it, you just got your family, your friends. Yeah, you might need to reevaluate some of this. I lost my house. My buddy here lost his. His brother lost his. People's lost cars. It's a bad day. Bad. This is what true family does. We've had more people down here. I mean, look. This is inside of my dad's $200,000 home. We've had a lot of people help bringing equipment in. The house is junk. But my little boy's motorcycle's junk. I'll fix it. I'll give you an update and show you everything on that. But yeah, if it wasn't for family, wouldn't have nobody. Well, here's the remainings of the logging job in Knott County. I'll show you some pictures before. The dozer's sitting up there. I gotta put some bolts in the track. But she washed out heavy. But I'm gonna come back over here. The drain's still running, so I can just fill this in and clean everything up. I got some logs back there and some shit up there, but yeah. This storm has affected more than what you think it has, and we're 30 minutes from the house and it's did this much damage. But I ain't gonna quit, that's for sure. We'll make it. Ain't that right, brother? He's like, I don't know what the fuck you talking about. But all this was washed out, but we're good to go now. We're gonna start moving some stuff.